Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi working as an assistant professor under AML department. Today I am going to discuss about IE6 under the DOM. So node object and associate constants. So no set property or set property value. So no must class name rather than class in set attribute and set attribute. Empty div span, so height cannot be made less than character height. IE6 under the DOM. So no add event listener. So no multiple listeners. Cannot use set attribute to specify intrinsic event attribute. Button set attribute on click. So toggle visibility this plus element ID plus. So IE6 is a button on click is a toggle visibility. Value assigned is a function object method rather than a string. IE6 under the DOM. Adding listeners to both IE6 and DOM. String value in DOM initially null in IE6 on click. Button on click equal to toggle visibility. IE6 under the DOM. Passing arguments to event listeners DOM. So button set attribute on click. Toggle visibility this. So element ID IE6. Button on click toggle visibility. So button element ID equal to element ID. Listen is called as a method in IE6. So this is a reference to button. IE6 under the DOM. Here I in button element ID here DOM approach. So text that arguments are defined here. IE6 under the DOM. So here window dot event which represents IE6 approach. Here a window dot event which represents text for post object created by IE6 when event occurs. In button equal to in button, so button this IE6 and the DOM. So here element ID, so button dot element ID, so down approach IE6 approach. So IE6 and the DOM. So IE6 does not pass an element event instance to event listeners. Instant IE6 creates a global object event when an intrinsic event occurs, testing for non-DOM call arguments at an arguments. So if in a DOM complaint call to event listener, there is one argument that is an event instance. So basically an array of called arguments. IE6 and DOM. So converting event object to event like. So undefined if IE6. So event window dot event this. So here global object created by IE6. In IE6 evaluates to object value of DOM's event current target property. IE6 and the DOM. Converting event object to event like. So here function convert event convert, that is event current target. So value event equal to new object try. Event detail equal to 1 if event dot type equal to double click. Event type equal to click. Event detail equal to 2 else event type equal, that is event equal to type. Event target equal to event source element. Event current target equal to current element. IE6 and the DOM. So converting event object to event like try. Use exception handling for convenience rather than testing for existence of properties. IE6 and the DOM. Converting event object to event like. So here most type values except double click are copied without the change. These are the particular things I have represent here. So IE6 and the DOM converting event object to event like. For example here source element. So IE6 uses a different name for target. IE6 and the DOM. So here current target. So current target passed in from event listener within event convert this refers to the global object. So converting event object to event like. For example here function that is event cancel bubble equal to true. Function that is event return value equal to false. So most mouse event properties are identical. IE6 and the DOM. So here but case 1 event button equal to 0 break. Case 4 event button equal to 1 break. Case 2 event button equal to 2 break. Buttons are numbered differently. So from element, so 2 element different names for related target. IE6 and the DOM. Converting event object to event like. Capturing listeners behave somewhat differently in IE6 and DOM. So event convert and not attempt to simulate the event phase DOM property. Other common host objects. The browsers can also provide many non-DOM host objects as properties of window. While no formal standard defines these objects, many host objects are very similar in IE6 and Mozilla. So thank you. Kindly like it and subscribe to it.